So we're going to look at digestion today. It's human digestion specifically. So humans, like all animals, they use something called holozoic nutrition. So that's got 5 stages basically. You've got ingestion, so that's taking in food into the body. Digestion, which breaks down the food. Absorption, so you absorb the food into the cells. Assimilation, so using those absorbed minerals. And then egestion, so getting rid of all the undigested stuff. The picture on as you can see, is the human digestive tract. So we're just going to talk through the various different points, various different glands, enzymes that you have to know. So we've obviously got the mouth here. Mouth is here, with obviously the salivary glands in there. So salivary glands secrete amylase. And that obviously breaks down starch into maltose, so polysaccharide into a disaccharide. You've also got mastication. So mastication is just the chewing, the breaking up of substances into smaller substances. So all this process puts your food into what's known as a bolus. So it's a big sludgy mess consisting of saliva. It's just basically to lubricate the food. So from the mouth goes down the esophagus, and we'll just add an O there because we are British. So it goes through there. So down the esophagus, so just wring that out of the way, salivary. So the esophagus, there's no digestion here. So no digestion. And all it does is an epithelium. There's no villi in there. A few glands that secrete some mucus in there as well, and some muscle. So it contains muscle for a process known as peristalsis. Okay, that's all that is muscular contractions. So there's a couple of different types of muscle in there. One called circular muscle and one called longitudinal muscle. As one contracts, the other relaxes, and you get this sort of wave effect of muscle, which propels the food down there. Or you've also got gravity to help you there as well. Esophagus is a soft tube. So it's a soft tube, not like your trachea, which is actually hard. It's held open by these rings of cartilage. So that's your esophagus. Nothing much going on in there. So then we come to the stomach. Stomach is food stored for a few hours there, and basically this food is churned into something called chyme. Okay, so a chyme that's gradually released into the small intestine by the pyloric sphincter at the base of the stomach. You've basically got lots of gastric juice in there. So gastric juice. So gastric juice consists of HCl, so hydrochloric acid, and that actually is to kill bacteria. It doesn't actually aid digestion one bit, so it kills bacteria in there. You've also got mucus in there, and that's as a lubricant. And you've also got protease enzymes, so pepsin in there as well. Again, that's all the digestion that takes place in there. See then, let's move this picture. Can I drag it down now? Like that. Small intestine. So your small intestine now. Small intestine is separated into the duodenum, which is the first 30 centimeters of your small intestine. So all the digestion takes place here. So you've got pancreatic juice, and you also have bile as well. Okay, and we're running out of time for the 5-minute limit, so I'll stop there and we'll reconvene on the next video.